First, I'm wearing a black cap to cover my entire hair. And start off to priming my face using Urban Decay Self-Adjusting Primer. And then I'm using white pencil eyeliner and start to draw Venom eyes. And then I'm going to use face and body paint and take the white color and start to fill in the eye line with white color. I'm going to use red lip liner and start to draw the gum from the middle until to the edge. And I double line the gum to make it more realistic. Still with red lip liner, I draw the tongue. And after that, fill in the gum still with the red lip liner to make it more sharp and divine. Using the black pen eyeliner, I start to draw the teeth one by one. This black pen makeover eyeliner is pretty easy to use for everything, for eyeliner and to draw everything, because it has a thin brush, so it is so easy to use. And after that, fill in the teeth with white pencil eyeliner. And then I take the black paint to cover my neck. It will take some time, just enjoy the process. And after that, I take the red paint, start off to fill the tongue. And take the white color again. I draw a line with the white color so it will be more realistic. And after that, I line everything with black pen eyeliner to make it more sharp and divine. And after that, I take the red paint again to fill my gum so the gum will be look more shiny. And take the black paint again and start to cover up the face, the entire face with black paint. It will take some time. And I paint my forehead too. And then the rest of my neck and also my chest. And finally, this is the result. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to give thumbs up and also subscribe because it means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on my next video. Love you. Bye.